Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Janice. Today I will show you how to make a delicious banana shake. This is so quick and easy to make. For this banana shake, I will be using 2 bananas, 30 blackberries, 8 ice cubes, and 3 cups of milk. And you will also need a blender. And also it serves for 3 people. Okay, now I will put my 2 bananas into the blender. Then I will put in the blender 30 blackberries. The next thing, I will put 3 cups of milk. Then I will put 3 cups of milk into the blender. And the last step, I will put 8 ice cubes into the blender. Now I will mix all the ingredients in the blender. Okay, now the shake is ready to be served. Okay, now the shake is done, and thank you so much for watching my video. And please let me know what you think about my shake. Leave me a comment on the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hope to see you soon. Bye.